Well, long-awaited toolbox tour. I'll show you. We got the 73-inch, I believe a Classic Series, and then KRL, and then a locker. We'll start with the big box here. Up top, we got some random swivels there in the back and some adapters. 1 inch, 3/4, metric on the left, standard on the right, 1/2 inch impact, 3/8 impact and chrome, 1/4 inch impact and chrome, adapters, torque safety bits, Allen's inverted torques, and I can't ever remember the name of these. And then basically same thing here. And then we got our 3/4 impacts in the back, and then same thing. 1/2 inch impact, 3/8 impact and chrome, 1/4 inch impact and chrome, and then a homemade 2 sensor socket, and then some spark plug sockets. Wrench drawer. You can just look at that, and then chrome. And here we got our ratchets. We got a 3/4 Blue Point, 3/4 Snap-on, and then some more. Love these extensions, the Wobble Plus, where they sit in straight. Impact rated wobbles. Miscellaneous drawer. Screwdriver drawer. Miscellaneous. Plier drawer. And then this is the heavy drawer. We got all 1 inch drive up in through here. And then we got some 3/4 down there. Yep. Allen's. Pneumatic tools. And here we got some bags. And then some chains, stuff like this, some homemade tools, like that. And then random chains, straps, binders, hooks, everything heavy in there. Hammers, glasses, punches, and air hammer bits, power drawer, grinder, ratchet, and all that good stuff. Power drawer. We got a 3/4 inch CP, a 1/2 inch, 3/8 drill, 3/8, and then a 1/4 inch bit, and then down there Sawzall. Top drawer, a bunch of pry bars along there, miscellaneous stuff in through there. Kind of paperwork drawer, more just smaller bullshit. Standard wrenches, bigger wrenches. Electrical drawer. Yep, nice and clean. Over here we got stuff for the die grinders and stuff, and then some other miscellaneous stuff. Don't waste your money. Again, kind of miscellaneous, just everything and anything. This is a what's it called? Trim tool set. Pretty good. Zip ties back there, gloves, and more gloves. I like my gloves. And then over here, up on top, we have stuff for the, can't remember the name, but for that over there, we got some chemicals for that. Random chemicals, bags to keep things neat and organized. And then we have some diag stuff there, rags, wire, and then bit boxes with bulkier items and whatnot. That is a electronic stethoscope. This is a open short finder. This is a bearing and race seal driver kit. This is an O2 sensor socket kit. This is a tap and die set. This is a Deutsch and Weatherpack crimp connector set. Miscellaneous fuses in there, butt connectors in through there. This is a miscellaneous oil sample kit. This is a O-ring assortment kit. This is a Boss O-ring kit, another Boss O-ring kit, tire plug kit. This is another bearing and seal driver kit. This is a compression kit. This was not a bearing and race driver kit. This is for yeah, that's a relay testing kit. Propane torches, scriber back there, hole saw bits, another bit box up there with hole saw bits, bottle jack, no, that's not a 3/4, that is a 1-inch CP gun, another welding hood, Deutsch connectors, JIC fittings, and then ORS fittings, grease gun, and battery cables. That is just about it.